Hello, I'm Tayshawn,
I'm Elizabeth.
and welcome to the first part special of the three-part podcast, Science and Other Junk, hosted by Geek Squad. Woo! Twerk some. Okay, so Liz is gonna start us off. So what will we be talking about today, Elizabeth?
We will be talking about the nebular theory.
What's the nebula theory?
The solar system was formed around 4.6 billion years ago through something called the nebular theory. The nebular theory is when a nebula collapsed under the force of gravity.
Shock waves from the explosion of the nearby supernova compress the nebula and press matter inward. So what does that mean? Can we elaborate a little? Something went boom and then sucked it back in.
Yeah, there's not much to it. That's what it did. As it's collapsing, materials gather at the center and compresses. The temperature begins to get so hot that hydrogen fusion initiated and our sun was born.
So the sun was born because of this nuclear theory. So what's the benefits of us having the sun?
We get solar, heat, energy. It supports life, and yeah.
That's what's up. So is there any other theories or is it just the nebula theory?
That's just the one I chose to talk about.
Okay.
But now for the relationship between Earth and the Sun.
The distance from Earth to the Sun is known as 1 AU. AU stands for astronomical unit, if you didn't know, which is the same as which is the same as 1,000. Oh, that's 100. Is that a million? Hold on. Okay. Yeah. I'm sorry. I'm not the best math person in here. Okay, we gotta go. Okay, redo. It's 149,597,870 kilometers. Canal.
Earth's orbit changes over time. It's not a complete circle around the Sun. It's slightly elliptical.
So next, our Earth. Earth is the closest in the Sun, January, and furthest in July. Its axial tilt is 23.5 degrees. Now we're going to talk about Earth and the galaxy. You just saw the picture below about how Earth rotated. Would you like to elaborate on it?
Yeah, elliptical is kind of like an oval shape. It's not a complete circle. And that's it. It's just the Earth doesn't have a complete circle orbit.
So Earth fit in the galaxy. The Milky Way was named our galaxy. It has a spiral shape and it takes 25,000 years to reach the center. If you were to move at the speed of light, it will only take 25,000 years to reach the center. And then once you get to the center, you'll die 'cause it's a black hole. But it was formed 10 billion years ago.
The universe's hierarchy has 7 steps from largest to smallest. The biggest is the universe, local supercluster, local group, galaxy, solar interstellar neighborhood, solar system, and planet.
And as you can see, they're all in that order. The universe is the universe. Duh.
Everything.
Our local supercluster is the Virgo, right?
Yes.
The local group is
Andromeda, I think, is it?
We believe so, Andromeda.
Yes.
The galaxy is,
The Milky Way.
of course. Our solar system is.
I don't know.
No, ain't the solar system what you call?
Wait, we skipped solar interstellar neighborhood.
Oh yeah. Okay. Well, that's the end of today. We hope you guys enjoyed. This is Tayshawn and Liz.
Yes.
If you have any questions, please email us at scienceofthejunk@hamiltonacademy.org. Ooh, just burp. Okay, we gotta go. Did you have any closing comments, Liz, about what you talked about?
I hope you enjoyed it. And yes, if you do have any comments, please email us or questions or concerns.
Don't even be scared to call. We won't put you on blast and call you stupid. We're here for you. We fight for you.
Right?
Okay, well, that's all. Have a nice day. Bye. Hello, listeners, and welcome back
To this special 3-part podcast.
on Science and Other Junk, hosted by Geek Squad.
Today we will be talking about the Earth's place in the galaxy place in the universe, solar activity influences, how the sun was made, and stars. So first, let's talk about Earth's place in the galaxy.
As you guys and girls should know, our galaxy is in the Milky Way. So, Earth has to be in there somewhere.
In the solar system, Earth is between Venus and Mars, but this is not its official place.
We can't really tell you why it was chosen to be there, but it is. Maybe it wanted that way, or science is just crack.
But we can tell you it is 8 minutes at the speed of light to go from the sun to the Earth.
Enough with the Earth, and let's talk about our galaxy, the Milky Way. As you can see in the picture above, it's not chocolate candy with caramel inside. Galaxy, if you don't know, which I know you don't, we have the second largest galaxy in the universe, local group. Or galaxy in the local group.
The Milky Way is roughly about 4.6 billion years old. The Milky Way is located 2/3 away from the center, which is a big black hole that sucks up and kills everything in its path, like Tyshawn would if he saw some Jordans in the mall.
Oh, shut up. That was one time. The Jordans are like really, really, really cute.
Yeah, whatever. Let's get back on topic. Okay, but the last thing we're going to say about the Milky Way is that it takes 51,000 years at the speed of light to travel from one side to another.
Now, let's talk about solar activity, of how solar activity can influence Earth. Solar activity is solar activity is what's going on in the atmosphere, how it can affect us. There are mainly 4 solar activities that can affect Earth. There are solar minimum / maximum, eccentricity, obliquity, and precessions.
Solar minimum maximum are times when the sun's magnetic field experiences great fluxes, occurring every 11 years and causing magnetic interference and increasing levels of radiation on Earth.
Eccentricity, okay, I'm saying it wrong, sorry, but you know what it is. Okay, well, if you don't know, Google it. Hello. Eccentricity is changes in the Earth's orbit around the sun. The changes varying angles and intensities of sunlight and affect mostly flora on the Earth's surface.
Obliquity is the axial tilt of the planet, currently 23.45 degrees. This causes temperature variations known as seasons and varies from 22 to 24.5. This plays a great role in a glacial cycle.
And lastly, precession. And lastly, precision. Precision is the tilt of the Earth. Again, right now we are pointing towards the North Star. In 12,000 years, we'll be pointing towards Vega, and the seasons will be reversed. So instead of it being it's winter, spring, summer, fall. Okay, whatever. You know the deal. It'll be reversed.
These are solar activities and
how they could affect us on Earth.
how they could affect us on Earth. If this was to happen, we could be in big doo-doo.
Huge did it.
Now
was an
let's
ugly
talk
laugh.
about the sun.
As you can see in the picture, the sun was born 4.6 billion years ago. It was formed from a giant rotating cloud, organs known as a solar nebula. As the nebula spun, it started to collapse because of gravity.
Then the nebula started running faster and faster until it turned into a disk. Then most of the material was pulled towards the center, which turned into a circle, sphere, and made the sun.
There are 6 main parts of the sun, which are the chromosphere, the photosphere, the convection zone, the radiation zone, the core, and the corona. The chromosphere is an outer, irregular layer. The photosphere is the sun's visible surface with a temperature of 5,500 degrees Celsius.
The convection zone is when energy is carried out from the core by convection cells. The active zone is where energy from the core travels in the form of photons. The core is where nuclear reactions occur during to the intense heat.
If it wasn't for the sun being created, this is a benefit that we have from the sun. If it wasn't for the sun being created, then Sneaky wouldn't be able to tan.
We all know that Chumbawanga wants to stay orange.
Say it again.
We all know.
Shut up. I was just kidding.
Lastly, before we go, we will be talking about how stars form. Stars come in all different sizes and even color, but they all come to life the same way.
A star is formed when a space cloud, which is when a star in space collapse, and then bam, a star is formed.
All you guys and gals, we're out of time for this segment.
Please tune in next time to Science and Other Junk, and we'll be talking about more topics.
We appreciate you listeners. We love you and adore you. Want to be you. We're just kidding, but thanks for listening. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Hello, viewers, and welcome to the last part of our 3-part special podcast hosted by Geek Squad of Science and Other Stuff.
Today we're going to be talking about comets and asteroids and everything about them.
As you can see again, Liz isn't here. She has scurvy. No, she don't have scurvy. Strep throat. Scarlet. She has scarlet throat. And yeah, scarlet fever, my bad, tweaking. But she will be back. Well, she won't. This is the last part. But we love her. We hope she'll feel better.
First question. Have you ever wondered what comets and asteroids are?